Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook steamed enoki mushrooms and ham. This is easy and delicious. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to cut some ham into small strips. Prepare a plate and put one layer of enoki mushrooms onto it. Then one layer of ham. And another layer of enoki mushrooms. Now we need to make the sauce. Make some garlic and red chilies. Use the pan to heat some oil. Pour the hot oil into the small bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Mix well and pour the sauce onto the enoki mushrooms. Now use a steamer to steam it for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take it out from the steamer. Chop some scallion and add onto the top. Heat up some oil and pour it onto the top. It is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.